Hi, I'm True Weather Meteorologist Mark Schanneberger, and as the parade of storms continues across the United States, we've got a pretty wild one going on across parts of the central U.S. right now. We'll tell you where it's headed and how much some people can expect snowfall-wise coming up after a word from our sponsor. We have a dynamic area of low pressure already producing strong winds, heavy snowfall, and severe thunderstorms across parts of the central United States. As this storm system continues to trek off to the north and east, it'll create a snow swath of 5 to 10 inches with locally higher amounts stretching from the Central Plains all the way up through the Great Lakes through about midday on Wednesday. Strong winds are leading to blizzard conditions around portions of the Central Plains, but look for those to diminish through the overnight period tonight, and less wind is expected with this system as it tracks north and east.